Hey everyone, here we are unboxing the SRPC93. This is another version of the Samurai. Let's take a look at it. Well, if it wasn't a box straight, we'd be able to see it better. There we go. Alright, there it is. Just like the matching turtle. Again, beautiful face, on the great samurai body there. This is part of the Save the Ocean series. And you can see me switching the bezel there. Nice, not too tight, not too loose. But again, the faces they're doing with this series here, I hope they really continue it. Doing different style watches, maybe not always blue. It'd be nice to see an orange like that. I can think of a couple different colors. A green would be cool as well, but take a look at this guy here. It's just, first you have the gradient, which makes it really cool, but then when they add those lines going horizontally across the face, it really gives it that look of waves, or the surface of the ocean there. And it's hard to pick which one I like better, the samurai or the turtle, when it comes to these new Save the Ocean watches that just came out. Both are really cool. Tried to quickly throw up some videos for you guys so you could see how frankly awesome these watches are. When you see them in the catalog, it's definitely not the same than when you see it in person. I'm trying to shoot you a video here, show you the different angles of it, but when you're wearing it, it just pops. It's really nice. See there on the bezel, it's black. It's not stainless. They did black plating on there, on that, and on the crown. That really gives it, a nice look to me. It kind of frames the blue perfectly. They could have gone cheap and just did it all stainless, but that black on the bezel and on the crown really frames it well. And you can see here, the movement in it is the 4R35, 200 meters. It's got ISO standards, all your usual Seiko dive stuff. Here you can see it on the wrist. It comes out a little big for me when you get it out of the box, so I'm just holding it in place so you can take a look at it, how it would look. I have a 7.5 inch wrist, and it's a nice size. It feels a little bit bigger than the turtle version, but all in all, again, a beautiful watch. I like it that they decided to use the stainless band and not a rubber band again. Here we see the lume, glows beautifully. Great watch. Thanks.